Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the cough snare. The cough snare is a really versatile sound and it sounds really cool with your beats. To explain the sound, the initial part of the snare is, as the name suggests, a cough sound like the one you would actually do when you get a cough by contracting your throat muscle, similar to that of a throat kick, and pushing out air like and the cough is followed by a loud whisper which can be achieved by talking only by using the air in your lungs and not your voice to get the snare effect like, yo guys, this is how you whisper loudly. Hello, my name's ADK. And after you guys get both these steps down, just combine them together and do the cough sound followed by the loud whisper to get the cough snare like And once you guys are comfortable with this sound, you can make it short and precise to make it sound more clean, like and after you guys get the sound down, a perfect practice pattern would be and another practice pattern would be and another pattern would be And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound, and if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.